I'm sorry. Back to number 19. We had marked up the picture. So again, A is congruent with D. B congruent with E. And C congruent with F. So first I would find F, which is in triangle DEF. And then once I know what F is, I'll know what C is. So I'll add 63 and 49 together. So that would give me 112. And take that away from 180, which would give me 68. So F is equal to 68. And now that I know F, I know C. So the measure of angle C is also going to be 68. On number 23 says the ratio of the measures of the sides of a triangle is 5 to 7 to 8. The perimeter, which is all the sides added together, equals 290. Find the length of the shortest side. So we're going to take this extended ratio, similar to how we did when we did the problem with the angles, and add a variable. So 5x and add them plus 7x plus 8x. And we're going to equal it to the perimeter, not 180, because again, these are sides, not angles. And the perimeter of this triangle is 290. So combine our x's, we get 20x is equal to 290. And then divide both sides by 20. You'll get x is equal to 9.5, or is it 95? No, 95. It seems too big. I believe it's 9.5. Oh, way off. 14.5. My bad. So now that I know what x is, I can find the shortest side. Again, the shortest side will have the smallest number in the ratio, and the smallest number is 5. So to find the shortest side, we're going to take 5 times x. In other words, 5 times 14.5, which would give us 72.5. So the smallest side is 72.5 inches. Number 20 wants us to find MN. So I see another pair of bow tie angles, so go ahead and mark them up. And then it tells us that angle M is congruent with angle Q. So our proportional sides or corresponding sides would be as follows. ML is to QP as MN is to QN. So again, ML is to QP as MN is to QN. So in this one, I'm going to call MN X. So now sub in the value they give us. ML is 6, QP is 9. I'm sorry, 7.5. MN is X, QN is 9. Now we cross multiply. 7.5 with X is 7.5X. And 6 with 9 is 54. And then 54 divided by 7.5 will give us 7.2. So MN is 7.2. On number 24, it says find the value of X so that ST is parallel with PR. So these four parts are supposed to be proportional. So we can write the proportion as 30 over 4x minus 3 is equal to 5 over 3. Or you can do 30 over 5 is equal to 4x minus 3 over 3. Those are your options. So cross multiply. First, I'm going to do 5 times 4x, which is 20x, minus 5 times 3, which is 15. And that's equal to 3 times 30, which is 90. Add 15 to both sides. You would have 20x is equal to 105. And divide both sides by 20. It's 50 something with a decimal. My gosh, 5.25. Let's make sure I put in the calculator correctly. 105 divided by 20. Yes. I knew it was 5 something. Yeah, that's right. That makes sense. And the last two. Number 21 says KLM is similar to XYZ. Find the perimeter of XYZ. So if sides are proportional, so is the perimeter. So in other words, I know that KL is proportional to XY. So, and then the perimeter of KLM is going to be proportional to the perimeter of XYZ. Oops. So fill in the values that I know. KL is 4, XY is 9. I find the perimeter of KLM by taking 4 plus 7 plus 10. And I don't know the perimeter of XYZ, so that is X. So what would be helpful right now is to find the perimeter of the first one. So that's 4 over 9 is equal to 17 plus 4, 21 over X. And now we cross multiply. 4 times X is 4X. 9 times 21. Don't recall off the top of my dome. 189. did that one right. It's been a minute. And divide by 4. So 47.25. So in other words, the perimeter of XYZ will equal 47.25. Our last question of the day says triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. AB is 4, DE is 15, and the perimeter of DEF is 50. What is the perimeter of ABC? So the sides that they already gave us are proportional or corresponding, which is great. You don't have to draw the picture to know that. You just look at the similarity statement. And again, the perimeter of ABC is proportional or corresponds to the perimeter of DEF. So that means AB again was 4, DE is 15. Perimeter of ABC we don't know, so X. Perimeter of DEF is 50. Cross multiply 15 with X, you get 15X. 50 with 4, you get 200. Divide both sides by 15. $13.3 repeat. So the perimeter of ABC will equal approximately 13.3. Alrighty folks, this concludes your review. Good luck on your test next class.